Rasi aparasa elap akany olapa osokosokoma kangin ikaru ngesida apara na inumunumatar eshishana kinak akwapukere apareti kech. Eminista lo eyait akironu koteso korai MP lo Akadaki district Dr. Clement Kenneth Ongalo ngesi abu ilip lu epolo kintos no ashoman apalar Ijulujulere shishana kinak asurono kinikesi koingarene shishak narai isurumina kesi ileich.
Give that teacher 5 years to settle, to grow his crops, start his business there if need be. But this business of transferring teachers as a reward, as punishment, every year you are moving back. You know, I've been to so many houses. The most neat house is a teacher's house. But it always has broken chairs, broken tables, always. Why? Because they are being transferred back and forth all the time. These things are breaking in the process of moving. Please, if a teacher has failed in Bululu, what you need to do is find out why the teacher is not performing, and if it is possible, send them for a refresher course.
Eminista loda arai epejonolo angosibib kotoma asoban nu enumunumatar eshishana kinak apareti kech ngesi etakadekina kede etiailo eshishana kinak luda ajasi toma asobanu lo aditinoi.
I am a bit surprised by this turn up. I had expected 461 teachers, some with their husbands, others with their battalions. But I am wondering what has happened.
Paul Ojulong, Loda Egoikid, Yunatu, Karina Okide, Ngesi Kobu Ilip Eshana Kinak, I search, I jar ejarelo ikiara kokuyunoi, Ibore edupo kesi eja sikede ilonin lu ipu.
Don't exaggerate your lifestyle when your income is very low. When your pupil, your student tells you that teachers don't grow, it means a lot. Yes, you will appreciate that you are young all the time, but indirectly they are also telling you that you were the same person in the economic status yesterday, today, and maybe up to the time you retire.
Ichie kotoma shishana kinak, luda ajasi asobanenu, kesida imarimai tos, iborolu ijai kitikesi, etukitos apesenin, ibore adishiar etiailo shishana kinak, luda ajai kina asobanenu.
Idiamno si Imwalimun balakai idiamno terukwana. Kupijo da yalama ile marbere stress ile aja utosemero kwen. Beita kwa mai Imwalimun loni. Ibore ya watu kwena. Tachele Imwalimun kidio kikapu ile tache Imwalimun. Di kidio kikapunu Imwalimun ijaske di redia. Ibore na ya watu loli kidio kitonga na solid transport. Apoto siti Imwalimun. Angini semero je kona na budget no Imwalimun ilisiri gini me Imwalimun from the school lejai to nabunere ko yidu mujobe mameta ngono
Imwalimun efu kidio Imwalimun kwenye ara ibore na bora ara jima busa kitabo isinoi iwanjo.
Eminista ngesi kobu ongetak asubanu kede akorakin as certificates nejasi eshishana kinak lu eswamatos ejoko districta kosodi aisumun shishana kinaka apia inu edoli etiai kech milioni niyare kangol ikaru edolo kesi ainomnom aparit na shishana kinak. Kanuka TV East, Habat Paul Eyoku Kokalaki District.